Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tiago from the Six Figure Lead Gen course, and I just wanted to show you guys something real cool that I already knew before actually taking the course. I've used it for myself, and it works pretty good. I noticed that some people are having trouble getting a master list. It's like a big list full of names and stuff, so that their data miners can get the emails for them. Or some people feel like they're running out of leads sometimes. So this is just a way to expand your lead list, and it's a free tool that almost any US library offers to its members. So real quick, I'm from New Rochelle, New York, and this is my library, so just going to go to their website real quick. Obviously, your city's website's going to look different, but the principles are pretty much the same. I'm going to go here to online resources and databases. I already know where everything is pretty much in my library. If you guys have trouble, just call your library and ask them if they have this stuff. Okay, so here in my library, we have A to Z databases. It's a reference and marketing database including 30 million business profiles and 220 million residents. Ideal for sales leads, and that's what we want. So click here. Just gonna put in my login info real quick. 1 second. Alright, we're inside the tool, and look right here, 30 million businesses and executives. Search by type of business, employee size, sales, geography, and more. Click here, get started. So this is really cool because it's kind of like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, the way the Deepak shows in the course. You got all this stuff here on the side. So just a quick search, just to really show you guys how I use it. So for example, keyword and business type. I think I was looking at software development studios. Yeah, see, look, businesses, so business solution software. That's B2B, software development studios. And look at all these software companies here: medical software, mobile application software. Let's check how many. 3,653 from this list right here. Okay, so, and then you can come to executive title. I usually like to do this too. So you want decision makers, chief executive officer, whatever, get the chief marketing officer because we're selling leads. Executive officer, marketing executive, owner, partner, president. Different companies have different names. Business development, yeah, because leads, and vice president. I think that's good. Those are pretty much decision makers right there. You can do account by employee size or annual revenue. Employee size, I think Deepak mentioned this, like 1 to 10, so you don't get companies that are too big that they already have their own in-house sales development people. But I usually go for annual revenue, anywhere from 500,000 to 2.5 million. I think that's a good amount because they obviously will have money. Now take these out because they're too, like, these are really like brand new companies. I mean, they could work, but I don't know. Let's just see what we get. So here I got business solution software, software development studios, mobile application software, all these decision maker titles, and 500,000 to 2.5 million. Do a quick search. And look at this. They give you the address, they give you the name of the person, how much they're making a year, and we have 594 results from that. Obviously you can expand it because those are very specific types of software companies. you know, like mobile applications. Some of them they'll have different names. You should look up the NACS code or the SIC codes, because those are like the industry codes, so it gets the industry as a whole. So you can have a larger list when you do that instead of like a really targeted list using this tool. But yeah, guys, 24 pages here, 594. You could actually show this, you know, to a data miner or a VA or something, and then make them get that info for you. You can also look at here. Look, you even got the title of everyone. He's the owner, he's the CEO, he's the president, he's the owner. These are all decision makers right here. All right. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me as well. And hope this helps. See ya. Not yet. I just forgot something. If you click right here, you're going to get all these records. Unfortunately, this tool is a little dumb sometimes because you can't get like all of them at once, I think. And look, you can email, download, or print up to 1,000 records per search. And you just got to choose them. Then you click download. And then look, you get it on an Excel format. And yeah, just put the name, leads, whatever you want, and then continue, and it's going to download it for you. All right, now I'm out. See ya.